Welcome to Mystical Platter with me, Rehnaz. I am here with another tasty and delicious chicken roast recipe. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So, for this, you need to take one full chicken with skin. You need to dry it completely. You can use a towel or a tissue to wipe out all the water and let it dry. And then you need to make slits all over the chicken, that's on the breast and on the thighs, so that the marination is well absorbed into the chicken. So for marination, add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, this I'm adding for the color, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix all this and rub it well onto the chicken. Make sure that the slits are also covered and rub it nicely to cover all the areas of the chicken. You can add few drops of coconut oil onto the chicken. This enhances the flavor. Instead of coconut oil, you can also use olive oil here. Spread the masala all over the chicken and also inside it, and make sure you completely cover the chicken with the marination. Here our chicken is well marinated. Now let us rest it for around 3 hours. Next we need to pressure cook the chicken. So in a pressure cooker, keep a steamer rack and add 1 cup of water and place the chicken on top of the rack. You need to tie the legs of the chicken with a thread. I have forgotten to show it to you over here. Close the lid and pressure cook for just 1 whistle so that all the sides are evenly cooked. Next we need to fry the chicken. So heat a pot and add oil for frying. Add a little extra oil because we are going to mix masala in the leftover oil. Now let's check our cooked chicken. You can see that the legs of the chicken are tied. I had forgotten to show it to you. Now let's transfer it to the hot oil, and you need to fry this on both the sides till the skin is crisp and golden brown. Make sure that the sides are also cooked well. So hold it sideways and let it cook for around 2 minutes. And repeat the same for the other side also. Here our chicken is ready to be transferred onto a plate. Now let's make the masala. So in the same oil, add in few curry leaves. Add 3 finely sliced garlic and 2 split green chilies. Half a teaspoon of ginger paste and saute it well till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. Now to this add 1 medium-sized onion which is finely sliced and saute it well till the color changes to a golden brown. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the onions for the color to change faster. And let it fry well in the oil. Here the onions are nice golden in color. To this add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and saute it well till the raw smell of the masala goes away. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and half teaspoon of salt. Where if you want, you can check for the salt later and you can add more if it's required. Saute it well till the spices get cooked and the raw smell goes away. To this add 1 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and let it cook for some time. To this add the chicken stock which was left when we pressure cooked the chicken. Mix all this well and close the lid and cook it for around 10 minutes till the tomatoes are very well cooked, soft and mushy. After 15 minutes, the tomatoes and the onions and the spices are very well cooked in the chicken stock. You can check for the salt here. If you feel it's less, then you can alter it according to your taste buds. Add half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. We have a nice red color sauce ready here. Now add the chicken into the sauce and cover it well with the sauce and let it cook on a low flame for around 5 minutes till all the spices and everything is well absorbed into the chicken. This is where the actual flavor of the chicken comes, when you slowly let the chicken blend in with the sauce. So you need to have some patience, right? Here it is, our chicken roast is served onto a plate and it's ready to be garnished with few coriander leaves and also with sliced boiled eggs. The sauce is so well absorbed that it makes the chicken very juicy and tender. It can be served with rotis or parathas, and this chicken itself is so yum and delicious, which will never make you ask for any other gravy or side dish. So please try this chicken roast recipe and make your family dinner a memorable one. So until my next video, please take care of yourself. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.